Hello guys, welcome to the latest episode of Big Trip, and today I am at St Albans City, located on the Midland Main Line. It's very cold. Today you'll be seeing services from Thameslink or what's known as Govia Thameslink Railway. Thameslink is the brand, and East Midlands trains. About to pass through the station now will be an East Midlands trains class 222 Meridian from London St Pancras to Sheffield. Triple 005. Next stop for that one is Leicester. So, yes, joining me today is Kem J. Kerman for the first time in ages, Liam Train Spotter, and later on Rob's public transport videos as well. So, this station is already perceived to be a very good station. I'm looking forward to filming here, looking to see everything that we do see. I am looking forward to it. St Albans City is another one that I've never filmed at, so I am looking forward to giving it a go. It looks like a really good station. That passing train there certainly proved it, so I'm hoping that it does prove to be good. So, without further ado, if you do wish to check out any real-time updates on trips and posts, please do have a look at my Facebook group. The link's in the description for that one. So, without further ado, let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at St Albans City. Enjoy the video. Right, approaching now is going to be an ECS, which has just been remaining at the platform at the siding over there. This is a class 700 and it's going to be forming the 1022 Thameslink service to Sutton. And it's 700-012. Currently on a very slow move. Such a long train, and it's coming into the station so slowly. This is a stopping service starting here at St Albans City going to Sutton. You can hear it now. Speeding up now, there we go. Also passing, we have an East Midlands train service to Nottingham from London St Pancras. Whether that's a HST or Meridian or not, I'm not too sure. That's 700-012, we're about to find out. It is a Meridian. It's a 5-car Meridian. And that's 222-011. Okay, arriving now is a Thameslink service terminating in from Sutton. 700-049. Terminating in from Sutton, and we'll be forming a service a bit later on. Right, fine, now it's a 1022 Thameslink service to Sutton, and also passing through, which you will see in the clip right next to me, will be a East Midlands train service from Sheffield to London St Pancras. 700-012 is on that one. And about to come through will be a Sheffield St Pancras. Here it comes. It's a HST as well. 43050, 43044. Sheffield to London St Pancras. That might have been a HST. Right, passing through now is a Meridian from Sheffield to London St Pancras. That HST was actually from Leeds. 222-001. Right, arriving now is the 10:27 Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. This one is 700 121. Very busy as well. Bit of an awkward in the film.
Train is on the door closures, please use all available doors. And mind again to keep the train on the platform while boarded.
Okay, departing now, it's 10:27 Thameslink service to Brighton from Bedford. Right, arriving now is terminating at Thameslink service of the siding, 700-049, going to be forming the 10:37 service to Sutton. 10:37 even, Thameslink service to Sutton. Thanks for that, mate.
I jumped a bit.
And I jumped really badly. Nice tone though, thank you very much. Everyone loves it when I jump. Oh, there's Rob.
This is really slow.
Could you go any slower? There's Rob's public transport videos, by the way, joining us today as well. Before I point him out. Okay, arriving in 2 minutes early, believe it or not, is a terminating service from Sutton at 700-054. Passing through now is a Meridian from Corby to London St Pancras. 222-023. That's heading to London St Pancras from Corby. Okay, and off goes D700 off on an ECS.
Anybody that videos at the station can sign in. As long as you can sign in, then you can carry on the video. They know that you're here. You want to just sign in. It's on platform 1. Customer information window. Just further down in the disabled building, you just sign in there.
Sorry about that, yeah. We're just going to go sign in very, very quickly.
Oh my god. Oh, this is how. Oh my god.
Video not over, just got to go sign in very quickly.
I've been spoiled.
Plenty of time here, so we can do it. 700-054 there, heading out on an ECS, so now go and sign in.
This looks so judgery. Sign. It's so judgery.
Okay, terminating now is another Thameslink service off Sutton. Just took a little bit of a break because we went to go sign in and found out we actually didn't need to. 700 054's terminated back in, there's 700 005. Okay, passing through there is 222016 with the weirdest numbering on the rear of it. But there it goes anyway, that's on a service from Nottingham to London St Pancras. Passing through now, got an Meridian from Sheffield to London St Pancras. How is that even appropriate? 222101, that's a 4 car, that's ridiculous. Wow, that's off to say London St Pancras and Sheffield anyway. Okay, departing now is the 700 heading over to the siding. Just 700 005.
It's German. It's German. It's Siemens. German.
Siemens, yeah, German.
You get a lot of them. Do you know where you get them? Brussels.
It'd be German Siemens, I think.
Not in Brussels. You get a lot of them. In Glasgow, but in Brussels, the electricity is on the roof, but it sounds the same. It's on the roof. You get it?
I know what you mean, yeah.
They've got them in Glasgow as well. They've got a lot around Glasgow. You don't get them in France.
Right, now it's a 1057 Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton, 700 136. Right, departing now is the 1057 Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. Passing through now is an East Midlands train service to Corby. Triple 2015. Calling at Luton, Bedford, Wellingborough, Kettering and Corby. Alright, arriving now is what will be the 1107 Thameslink service to Sutton, 700 005, coming in from the centre siding. Terminating now, got a Thameslink 700, but also passing through, got a HST from Leeds to London St Pancras. And that looks like 43046 and 43064. One of the most underwhelming HST passes I've ever seen. Yes, it wasn't in acceleration. Okay, arriving now is the 1111 Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. And this is 700 141. Right, departing now is the 1111 Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. Whilst as that one goes out, also coming through will be a East Midlands train service from Sheffield to London St Pancras. Here it comes now. Absolutely roaring its way through. It's 222-004. Passing through there is 222-001 on an East Midlands train service to Sheffield from London St Pancras. Almost missed that one. Okay, arriving now 700-028 on the 1117 Thameslink service. Depot whistle. Thank you very much. Weird depot whistle, but there it is. 700-028 arriving, going to forming. Oh, it's actually the 1121 even, Thameslink service to Sutton. And also passing through is a Meridian heading to Nottingham. And that's 222-023. Sorry, Cameron. We're arriving now, 700-043, terminating in from Sutton. Alright, now arriving as the final train in this video, it would be the 1127 Thameslink service to Brighton from Bedford. I'm going to film it from over here because there's loads of people like wanting to get on the train. It is 700-128. This train is very busy. And it's actually scrunched up to the doors like it's the London Underground. It's the Thameslink Overground, that's what it is. I mean, Cameron's quite startled, and to be honest I don't blame him. Probably not. Right, departing now is the 1127 Thameslink service to Brighton. And that's 700-128. And as that one goes out, I'm going to finish the video from St Albans City here. So thank you all for watching this video from St Albans City. If you have liked what you've seen here, please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments because I will get back to them as and when I can, and any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave those in the comments too. Joining me at St Albans City today was Liam Trainspotter, Cam J Kerman and Rob's Public Transport Videos, who's not in his territory at all, but who cares? It's a trip. So yeah, I have to admit, this station is very good. I don't have major issues with it, to be honest. It's got really good curves for passing trains, so definitely worth filming here. It's good for photography if you like taking photographs, but I recommend probably standing over there for photography on platform 4. Much better for photography than over here. This is good for filming, but the other one not as good. in terms of the Thameslink trains, obviously it's nice to see them, although I've been having never-ending association with them for the last few weeks whilst I've been doing King's Cross, Finsbury Park, Stevenage, then obviously doing Brighton and Haywards Heath, and now doing this one and 3 other stations involving them as well. So after this I think I'm probably going to be sick of looking at them.
Already sick of looking at them.
This is 700-043, finishing off the video coming in from the central siding to inform the Thameslink service 11 something. I think it's 11:35, 11:37 even. Thameslink service to Sutton. So, yeah, good station, worth a visit to, definitely worth a visit to. The station is very good. I definitely like it, and I hope it continues to be a good station. It always will be, as long as the Midland Main Line exists, and it will be fine. Good station. A lot of regular terminating Sutton services as well, which makes it quite interesting. And obviously the trains moving over to the side, it's interesting to watch it all happen. It has to be really quick as well. So anyway, enough of me rambling on. As this one comes in, I shall announce the next station, which is Luton Airport Parkway. So yeah, the next station for me is Luton Airport Parkway. So I shall see you all there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all at Luton Airport Parkway. Goodbye guys.